Are you a fashion designer? You have products you sell, you have items you sell online, and you don't have money to get models to model for your products, be it gown, jeans, top, shoes, footwears, perfume, whatever product you are selling online today. What if I tell you that I have a platform where you can get free models? You don't need to pay any models, and with the step-by-step tutorial I'm about to put you through, you can get the models yourself. You don't need to pay any third party or any model to model for you, and you can choose the position, the pose, the postures you want the models to stand and look on your products. Hi, my name is Anthony Olu. I create amazing content about how to make money online. Let's dive into this. Let's go. So we'll head over to CapCut. Don't panic, these are free features. Okay, I'll put you through. Just watch to the last part of this tutorial. All right, open your CapCut. We'll have this interface here. You will see all tools. Click on all tools. You move right down to the marketing tools. You will see products, photos, AI posters, AI models. You click on AI models. Okay, it will pop up this way. Here is model number 1. Okay, you can go by the left part and see models, where you choose other models you would love to use for your products. Okay, these are other models with their different looks, okay, hairstyles, postures, and all that. So let's head back to the first model. Okay, we'll tap on the first model. You click on OK sign. Here is for you to include your product picture. You click on the plus sign here, it will pop up. So we are working on this red dress for now. Click on the red dress, add. It will take few seconds to load. It needs to load and do the magic for you. So right now we click on generate. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this tutorial video interesting and helpful, click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Here is the outcome of the tutorial. You see the model has changed to the red dress. So we can actually go back and discard, go back and try another dress. Another one we'll try will be jeans. We can now do tap and put on blue jean. Okay, add up. We can add up more clothes for the models to wear and give you good designs for your product shoots. So you don't need to pay anyone to model for you. Here are how it looks. You can click on poses, select the postures you want. Here it goes back, you can select and see how they all look. Okay, right here, let's take this, will give you full glance of the product photo. Okay, let's go take this and generate. You see how it looks. With this, you'll be saving a whole lot of money. This will give us 12 different looks. Just few seconds at the load, the AI is doing its magic for you to choose. Okay, you see how they look. This are amazing. You see the black with the canvas. The model looks amazing. So let me know on the comment section what you think about this AI generating. Okay, right now you will be like they are all paid. If you want to export, you join the pro and pay. Don't panic. All right, I have you covered. So right here, let's say you want to choose this right here by the right. You can screenshot. Okay, when you screenshot, you crop to to the one you want. You don't have to pay any money to get this. Crop the one you prefer, and voila, you have it. You save to your gallery, you have it figured out. So let's move to my gallery and pick up the saved AI model. Here you have it to yourself. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, be part of this amazing community, like and click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. See you on my next video. Cheers.